Hello, in this video I'm going to go over how to configure your desktop application. So double click on the JS Desktop icon and then enter the username and password that you received from your Request a Demo email response and click Login. You'll only have to enter your credentials once as they're saved in your machine's registry. The login status will display download completed when finished and the desktop application will open up. To manage your settings, go to the Preference section, which can be accessed from the View pull-down menu. You click Preferences. As a default setting, you can see that we have this Enable Daily Refresh check. So what this does, it automatically refresh your analytics every day, and it will do that based on this daily refresh time. This is a 24-hour format. We use 1 a.m. Central Standard Time as the default setting, as this is the last official JSServices publication update. The desktop will typically be updated around 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time the evening prior, but it's recommended to use the manual refresh button. And so to manually refresh, you can click this green icon, and you can see when you roll over things, they have a little pop-up. So you click the green refresh, and the desktop will refresh itself. The desktop contains a data utility which creates data files with all JSServices analytics. There's two integration default scripts. Integration script number 1 is an XML file, which is typically used for our third-party integrations for trading platforms and charting platforms, and the other is an Excel spreadsheet. These files can be found in your users, your machine name, documents, JSServices directory, and you can see the Excel file is called a JS sheet, and the XML file is called JS data. And these files will be updated every day in your JSServices directory. And here's an example of the JS sheet. It contains all of the indicator analytics, our metrics, and price map levels. To view an XML file, it's best to have a viewer, and this file is primarily for third-party integrations. So now that the desktop is set up and it's set to refresh, you can go through the Getting Started study guide, and you can also use the desktop, has built-in help menus, and there's a full tree that goes over all the aspects of the desktop application. Each of our indicators are broken up into sections, and you can open up the window tree and dig as deep as you want to go. Going through the analytics section of the website is a great place to start. It really gives a good overview of all of the analytics. It's important to definitely visit the price map page and be sure to go over all of the qualifiers. Each section starts with a nice short video that'll get you up to speed. Any questions, please email us at info@JSServices.com, and if you're having trouble with your login and editing your preferences, you can contact support@JSServices.com. Thank you.